Good morning, students. The topic that we'll be doing in today's video is a progress bar. Progress bar is a component of Java Swing package. It was not present in the AWT package. Progress bar displays the progress of some specified task. Task like if you are using the internet to download some software or some program or some movie, that time progress bar is generally visible. So it shows the progress of the downloading which is happening. It shows the percentage of completion of a specified task. Suppose you have kept some movie for downloading. So progress bar will show the percentage of data which is downloaded. So it will show 10%, 20%, and it goes on increasing and reaches till 100% once the entire movie is downloaded. The progress bar fills up as the task reaches its completion. Initially the progress bar is empty. It is not filled with any color. But as and when it reaches its completion, it keeps on filling itself with some specified color, which indicates that the specified task is over and 100% data is downloaded or it is completed. In addition to showing the percentage of a completed task, it can also display some name or some text on it. Like you can display the task which is being downloaded, you can display the name of that task on the progress bar, and also you can display the percentage. So here on the screen you can see on the right hand side there is a frame which contains a progress bar. Now you can see this progress bar is totally filled, completely filled with some dark gray color, and the percentage which is displayed on this progress bar is 100%, which means the task is completed, 100% completed, so it is filled. So it shows the percentage of the task on progress bar. So quickly we'll see how to write a program to get this kind of output. So here are the packages which will be required to create this program. So these are the three basic packages. One is the AWT package, other is the Swing package, then is the swing.awt.event package. Once these three packages are imported, we'll be moving further to write the class and the program. In this, we are creating a class with the name as progress, and here we are not using an applet, we are using a frame. So extends JFrame. We are creating the object of a frame, and then we are creating the object of a scroll bar, J progress bar. So once we have created the frame object, then we are creating the progress bar object, J progress bar B. Now once we have declared the variables, now we have declared the frame, we have declared the progress bar. Now we'll write the code inside a main method, because this is a frame window which we are creating. So frame window necessarily should have a main method. So here is the main method, which is nothing but public static void main string args. So the entire code will come inside this. Now the object which we have created, f equal to new jframe, and in bracket and in double quotes will specify the title of the frame. The title which is displayed on the title bar is progress bar demo. So this title we have to pass as an argument to the constructor. Now we can't directly add the components on the frame, so we are creating a panel. So here is a panel, jpanel p equal to new jpanel, and we are defining the progress bar which we have declared b equal to new j progress bar. Now the progress bar also comes in two orientations. Orientation is like you can in two designs, in two different directions you can say. One is the horizontal progress bar, other is the vertical progress bar. So the one you can see on the screen is a horizontal progress bar because the orientation is horizontal. So by default the progress bar which is creating by creating the object of a progress bar class is the horizontal. This is a method, b.setValue is a method which will define the initial value of a progress bar. Now generally the purpose of the progress bar is to demonstrate or to show some sort of downloading or some sort of importing So the range of the percentage ranges from 0 to 100. So at the beginning, when the frame is loaded, it should be 0. The initial value should be 0. To set that value, we are using a method set value. b.set value, and in bracket we are passing 0. Now another method, if we want to display the percentage of the progress bar, percentage of the task completed, then we have to use a method b.setStringPainted, and we have to pass the argument as true. If we pass true, then as the percentage of the task increases, the same percentage is displayed on the progress bar. Now we are adding this progress bar on the panel, and we are adding the panel to the frame. So what we have done, we have created a frame, then we have created a panel, then a progress bar. We have set the initial value of a progress bar as 0. We want the percentage to be displayed on the progress bar, so we have used the method setStringPainted true. Then we added the progress bar to panel, and finally added the panel to frame. Now we have already set the title of the frame, but now there are two important methods which we are supposed to use for frame. Is we have to set the size of a frame. Here is 500 by 500, which is width and height, and we are supposed to set the visibility of the frame as true. Otherwise, when you run the program, the frame will not be visible, so you cannot see anything which is available on the frame. So setting the visibility is very important. But the program doesn't end here. We want progress bar to fill gradually. Like it should look real, like 10% pehle fill hua, then it went to 20, 25, 50, and then 100%. So we want it to be filled gradually, as it happens while downloading a file. So we are using one method. We are using the method fill. This is the method which we have created to serve our purpose. It is not system defined method. This is the user defined method fill, which will gradually and slowly fill the percentage till it reaches 100. So we are calling a method inside a main method. Main is a static method, so the method which we are calling should also be declared as static. So public static void fill. Now what we are supposed to do, slowly and gradually we want to fill. So there we are supposed to use some kind of looping mechanism. So here we are using a while loop. So initially the value of progress bar is 0. So we'll set the value of I also as 0. Then within while loop, until the value of I reaches 100, which is I less than equal to 100, we should set the value as plus 10. Means by 10 values, the progress bar value should increment with the interval of 10. So once it is 0, the value will become 10, and now once it is 10, so 10% should be displayed on the screen for a period of 1000 milliseconds. Means it should stay. देखो generally अगर आप सीधा ये loop लगा लोगे without a sleep, then क्या होगा 0, 1, 0, 10, 20, 30, 100. You won't be able to see the intermediate phases of 10, 20, 30, 40. You will directly see 0 to 100. But even though it is gradually increasing, you won't be able to see 10% on the screen, 20% on the screen. So for that purpose, you have to use a sleep method. So that for certain fraction period of time, you can see the percentage 10, 20, 30, and then 100. Once it has displayed 10, it waited for 1000 milliseconds, then the value of I we are incrementing to plus 20, means 30. So directly it will show 30, then 40, 50. We keep on repeating this thing until it reaches 100 value, means 100%. So we want intermediate steps to be displayed, like intermediate percentage to be displayed, 10%, 20%, 25%. So we are using a sleep method to pause that screen for certain period of time. 100,000 milliseconds is the value which we are using. So in this program, we just have created a frame, a panel, then a progress bar with orientation as horizontal, which is the default, and initial value of the progress bar is set to 0. Maximum obviously is 100 because we are showing in percentage form. So between 0 to 100, we want different intermediate stages to be displayed. So we are using a fill method so that after 0 it should reach 10 and I could see 10% on the screen. Then I could see some 20, 30% and likewise until it reaches 100%. Okay. So quickly we'll compile this program. So Java C progress is the name of my class. That is compiled. This is a frame program, so I have to use Java progress. Can you see the output? Gradually it is increasing. First 10, I'll again run it so that you can see. See 10, 30, then 50, 70, then 90 and then 100. So what is happening is initially it is ranging from 0 to 100 or 0 to 10. It is showing 10%. Then we are incrementing by 20. So 10 के बाद आया directly 30. Then again by 20. So 50, 70, 90 and then 100. So you can see one more thing. It gets on filling with some color as the percentage increases. Initially it was no color, blank. But as the percentage of the specified task is completing, it is getting filled with some specified color. So the by default color is a dark gray as per the theme of my PC. Okay. So with this you can create a progress bar wherever you want to display some kind of downloading, some kind of copying of data, some kind of importing files from other system, from client to server. So wherever you have to display the status of some work, percentage of the work completed, there you can use a progress bar.